I need to point out at the very top here that most scientific issues don't affect Christianity one way or the other. How the world normally operates by natural laws doesn't contradict the Bible. In fact, the Bible presupposes the world operates regularly by natural laws. Otherwise, the people in the Bible would not claim that a resurrection was a miracle, a divine sign from God. They knew that people don't rise from the dead naturally. They knew that the regular order of things was that when someone died, they wouldn't rise from the dead. They knew that natural laws existed. Even though they were in a pre-scientific era, they knew that things operated naturally in a repeatable way. And so when they saw something that was an exception to that, they said, this is a divine sign from God. So there are some interpretations of scientific data about historical questions that are at odds with some biblical interpretations of those historical questions. For example, the origin of the universe, the origin of life, the origin of new life forms. You have some scientists saying that maybe what the Bible appears to say isn't right. But those are both interpretations. The interpretation of the scientific data and the interpretation of the Bible. Are they at odds? Well, you have to investigate to see if they really are at odds. And even if they are at odds, that doesn't necessarily mean God doesn't exist or Jesus didn't rise from the dead. It might cause some people to reevaluate how they interpret the beginning chapters of Genesis, but it wouldn't change whether or not God exists or whether or not Jesus rose from the dead, the two essential truths of Christianity, or the two things that need to be true, I should say, for Christianity to be true, that God must exist and Jesus rose from the dead.